Hello everybody, my name is Ryan and I am the product training coordinator within the training department at Wellness Living. And this video is going to go over adding attendance tracking for virtual services. This improvement involves adding attendance tracking settings for virtual services, both integrated and non-integrated, inside business policies. So staff members will be able to customize how clients' attendance is tracked for virtual sessions. So to see this, what we want to do is just go up to our app drawer, click there, navigate to setup and click setup. Then we want to go to business. We want to see that drop down, and then we want to go to business policies. Once there, we want to navigate to attendance tracking and click there. So within the attendance tracking tab, if we navigate down, we can see there is a new section for virtual services. Underneath that, there is an on-off slider that says automatically track a client's attendance when they join a virtual session. And again, that is for both integrated and non-integrated virtual sessions. So we have the option to have this on or off. If I click it to the off position, you're going to see a new option down here. And that says, after a virtual service is finished, mark the client as, and then we have a few different selections, either checked in, no-show, or pending. So to show this, I'm just going to go up to the schedule, and we're going to look at a past class where I had this set as on. So let's go to the schedule. So we are on the schedule, and to show automatic attendance tracking for virtual services, again, from that business policies area for attendance tracking, I did set the virtual attendance tracking to on. So within the schedule, if I go to this gentle yoga class, this is a class that had happened and taken place yesterday. So if I view the attendance list, we can see that there are two clients within the attendance list. So for this virtual class, it took place. Robert Chapman was in attendance for that class. Once that session had ended, since we have the attendance tracking for virtual services set to on, we can see that it automatically tracked his attendance as checked in. And since Simon did not attend, his attendance was set to no-show. This improvement is very helpful to staff and businesses that do host virtual sessions. Again, by having that on-off slider set to the on position for tracking virtual attendance, so it's going to automatically track attendance for virtual sessions. By having that set to the on position, it's going to help staff members out. It's going to be out of sight, out of mind. They won't have to track attendance manually anymore. It's going to be done for them by the system, which is great. If they don't want to have that enabled, they can turn it off, and then they can select from that drop down again to have any session that takes place for virtual sessions. Any clients after that session ends, they will be marked with either a checked in, pending, or no-show status. Again, they can select that. So there is customization throughout this improvement and throughout Wellness Living as a whole. And that's this improvement.